we have been making or doing some experiment with these microwave transformers in different ways. Okay, we have been wrapping the wire on this and see how much voltage we get, or using these their stators, even though they're made with aluminum, but we have been using it, okay, in many projects. But today's project is going to be short and is going to be different, something that we have never talked about. So let's take this aside. So what you see here is a full microwave transformer. This is the coil, just like the one I show you. This is 220 volts coil, this one here, and here there's a 3 volts coil, and above here there is 2000 volts coil. Okay, this one here, you can't see the wires because it's fully covered, protected, because this stuff, the corners, they're very sharp, so without covering it like this, they can come out. So we have been using this, as I said, to get 220 volts. And I remember I did it like once. We're going to do it again, but not in this video. We used this top coil. That's the one that many people, they use to cut it. They just cut it, throw it away in order to use this one. But if you didn't know, this one too, you can use it to generate the 220 volts. If you cut this out, whether you're going to take this out or you're going to leave it there without cutting this. But now how you are going to do that, if you see right here, you're going to see a little wire. See that? That wire, they connect it right here. So you have to take it out, just like I did, out, and another connection is on the other side, like this one. Then now when you're spinning your magnet right here, this coil will produce 200